Hi, it's Steve Sorensen here at Phillips Chevrolet. This is our friend Susie Rhodes. She just came and got her second car from us here at Phillips. She got herself a brand new 2013 Lemonade Spark. Susie, how was your experience here at Phillips?
It was fantastic. It's great.
You've been here numerous times. You've been to the
Yes.
service department, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and you got a good price for your trade-in.
Yes, I did.
All right, are you gonna come see us again?
Yes.
All right, she's happy. Come see us here at Phillips. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.